Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make pounded yam using a food processor. Pounded yam is a popular delicacy of the southern part of Nigeria, often eaten by the Benis in Edo State, Nigeria. As much as we love eating this super delicious and filling food, the stress and energy involved in pounding can sometimes be discouraging. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make pounded yam without mortar but rather a food processor. You can enjoy pounded yam without a hassle, and then again you know what you are eating. You are not scared if they added cassava to your flour for pounding. Now let's start cooking. I started by washing the yam and then use a towel to clean it, so I did that off camera. Next, use a knife to peel the yam and then cut it into smaller bits, just so it can fit into the food processor when it's cooked. And then transfer into a bowl, as you can see in the video. Wash the yam, transfer into your pot and cook it. Please do not add salt because salt is not needed in pounded yam. So after about 20 minutes, my yam was soft and well cooked. The food processor I'm going to use to blend my yam is Ninja food processor. I absolutely love it because it is very powerful, and I feel like food processor is a must-have gadget in every kitchen because it makes cooking for me very easy, and you can use food processor for so many things like chopping vegetables and of course blending my yam. Just so you know, this video is not a sponsored video. It is just me sharing my thoughts about the Ninja food processor. So after my yam is soft and well cooked, I transferred it into my food processor and blend. I added some hot water because I like fluffy pounded yam, not hard one. So my pounded yam is ready in 5 minutes. It is that easy guys, less stressful. Serve with any soup of your choice. I enjoyed mine with okra soup. So if you want to know how I prepare this delicious okra soup, you can check the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.